People, what's happening in these internet streets? And the internet streets are saying President Trump has pardoned the famous Chicago gang leader Larry Hoover, who has been in prison since 1973. Whoa, that's a long goddamn time, people. So, for those who want to be informed, President Donald Trump commuted the sentence of Larry Hoover, the former leader of the Gangster Disciples gang in Chicago. Bam, 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 bam. Hoover had been serving multiple life sentences since the 1970s for murder and for operating a criminal enterprise. Whoa! His sentence was commuted amid a broader series of clemency actions by President Trump. Internet people, I'm feeling like I'm
Big Meech, Larry Hoover, with